What is up, everybody, and welcome to another Minecraft tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make an automatic sugarcane farm. So, what you're going to need is observer, pistons, redstone, sugarcane, any block, water, bone meal, hopper, and a chest. So what you want to do first is, if you're doing a single one, you want to get your water, of course, and then you want your sugarcane like that. And then, for your next thing you want to get your piston and place it right there. And then you also want your observer, right? It's actually opposite. You want your observer there, and then you want your piston there. And then you want to make sure it's like this, so it can catch the sugar cane and it doesn't go into the water. So you want to put your chest there, and then your hopper there. Then you want to get some blocks, place some blocks, get your redstone, bring it all the way to the observer, and build around. It's really simple. That's all you need to do, and then you will start breaking it, and then you could build a passage down here if you wanted to, and then you can go and grab your sugar cane. And if you want to make a double one, it's pretty much the same thing. So you place that there with the observer, that one with the observer. Then you place the piston. Make sure to block up the water again. But don't do that. That will destroy your sugar cane as it's not. And then you build around. Like that. And then just put your chest, your hopper, and oh, forgot, you need to build. Sometimes it does go in an endless loop. Yeah, there we go. One like that, and then like the last one. There you go. So, thanks for watching this tutorial. Stay safe. Goodbye.